Hello everybody, this is the Computer Master here. I'm going to show you how most of these speed test results are fake. I'd say anything above 300 to 400 to 500 megs is fake unless you're at like a local data center. Now, look. Alright, here we go. Let me look for it. Okay, if you look very carefully, you'll see a 0 second. 0 seconds, okay? Look at the computer and notice how it's at 0 second ping. That's just not going to happen. I'm sorry. You need at least 1 millisecond. Now look carefully. It says Associated Networks Limited. Maidenhead, 200 miles, less than 200 miles. Now, all right. Now this one is fake right here. This is a fake speed test here. Look carefully, and I'll show you how everybody did it. And I actually knew before him, but I kind of didn't want to give a secret out. This is fake. That is fake. If you look carefully, watch what he might do to show you that it's a fake speed test result. Look. Notice that his ping stays at 3 milliseconds, like mine has in my videos. And it gets about 750 down and about 280 up. I would say about 280, based on the way it's going. Close to it. Yeah, okay. Alright, he's doing the same server, okay? Ellen Enterprises. His ISP is Ellen Enterprises Limited. Now, this is fake. Okay? It's all, he uses, looks like he's using Internet Explorer. No, wait. Let me see which one he might be using. Oh, I'm not too sure. Alright, now, well, I'm going to show you how to do this. How to fake your speed test. And a lot of people do it on the on YouTube now. So, this is fake. This is not a real speed result. They do not have this kind of connection on most speedtest.net. Ellen Enterprises is not this fast. Unless you're at their servers. Server headquarters. Okay? So, now, what I'm going to show you is how to do this. Alright, now. Alright, this is what you're going to first do. First, you're going to do this. You're going to download, if I can remember what the server is. You're going to download Wireshark. After you download Wireshark, you are going to download... Shit, I'll pause it and get the application name. I forgot what it was called. So give me a second. Okay, everybody, downloaded Wireshark. Now you're going to install it. Then you're going to download WAMP. You're just going to download WAMP, okay? Follow my directions here. If you have a 64-bit operating system, download 64-bit. Okay, download WAMP. Let it install. Now, you're going to go to speedtest.net. And you can make your ISP one of the fastest, okay? Just by doing this. Some people have copied some of my secrets on my forum. And then they put it on their website. It's kind of not fair. Okay, now, WAMP server. Okay, you're going to download WAMP. Okay. You'll download WAMP. You're going to install WAMP. Let that install. It will take a while. And then you're going to go to speedtest.net mini. You're going to download speedtest.net mini. Never get above 6 on this speed test mini. I'm sorry, it just doesn't happen that way. The heck is going on here? Okay, now you're going to copy all of this. Speed test, cross domain, index, speed test.stf. You're going to copy this into a different file, simple as ABC. Just put it as a new folder for now, and I'll show you how to do it later. Alright, then you're going to copy that into that new folder. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your WAMP. It should be on the bottom. Make sure you put at the bottom www directory. Delete index and delete test MySQL. You don't need it in there. Now you're gonna put this. You're gonna put the contents of this folder in there. And in just reference, just do this. You might not have to do this. But just in case, change everything to .index.html. Now you're going to close it, and now you are running locally. Okay, make sure to click Start All Services. You should have a green icon. Okay, localhost. It'll show it like this. Now what you're going to do, this is the fun part. You're going to run Wireshark. Okay? You're going to run Wireshark. Now, you're going to click on your local gigabit Ethernet adapter, and you're going to click Start. And now all the ISPs are going to be coming in. Ignore your local IP, and ignore the IP that is currently right there, probably from Google Chrome. Alright, now what you're going to do, close. You're going to open up speedtest.net. I mean, you're going to, oh, sorry, way off. All right, now, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your favorite browser, speedtest.net, okay? You're going to go to your favorite browser. Then, you're going to click on, some of these servers you cannot actually spoof, okay? But Comcast, I can. So look at this carefully. Look at this carefully. 22 millisecond ping. I should get 50 megs. Now, look at the constant IP address that's flowing in while it's doing the speed test. You're going to type in ping, you're going to type in tracert. That IP right there, 69.241.80.166. Now, this is what you're going to get right here. You're going to mark the Stu Houston on speedsys.comcast.net. Copy. And then you're going to go to start my computer. Then you're going to go to Windows. I think it's system, so driver. Where do I go to get to that? System 32. Drivers, etc. You're going to edit your local host file. Open with Notepad. 127.0.0.1. Save. And there you go. You are now spoofing your internet provider. Simple as that. Closely look through this video so you can see how I just did that. Okay? If I remove this, save, speed test again, normal. Oops, still doing it. Hold on. Refresh. I might have to flush the DNS, but it should do it now. Nope, still doing it. Whoops. Okay. Oopsie. Might be permanent. Okay, anyways, that's how you spoof it. Okay, people? And you can also share these results with your friends. I you gotta take credit for me because I'm the one that kind of figured this shit out. A lot of people knew before me though, but I kind of got the idea after seeing so many fake speed test results on speedtest.net. So copy. These are real results. Boom. See that? Faster than 99% of the U.S. Grade A+. This does not work for pingtest.net, speakeasy.net. Well, actually, it does work for Speakeasy, but you don't have the correct file on your computer for it to work properly. Now, let's just see. Let's do Fort Worth, Texas. Charter Communications, okay? We'll spoof that one next. Okay, now, check the IP that's going through there. So you CMD it, and then you go... Doesn't work for all servers though, so you gotta be very you gotta keep switching servers until you find one that works for you. Okay, copy, and then what you're gonna do is you're going to go in here, charter, save. It works usually on the first time, but it didn't work this time. It depends on if you get lucky or not. And sometimes it doesn't work. But it will on some of them. If it didn't work for that, it won't work at all. It just depends. Nope, it's not working on this one. So we got to do the tracer again. Let it finish the trace route. Noticing it already uploaded. See, look at that. See what I'm talking about here? Look, check it out. Bam. See what I did? Now look how fast it's going. Excuse me. Now I got one of the world's fastest internet connections. I'm not sure how to do it on a Macintosh computer, guys, but you can do it on Windows. Have fun. Hope you enjoyed it. But remember, when you're done spoofing, please delete all your locals, your local host file, and then save. Remember, start my computer, your local drive, your main drive, that one with your operating system, Windows. Look for System 32. Don't mess with anything else. You'll F up your computer. System 32, look for drivers, and etc. And then look for host, open it. Always check with Notepad. Click OK. It'll bring up this. Then click Save, and then when you're done spoofing your results and giving it to whoever you want, then delete it. And then click Save, and then close it out. Okay? After you do that, you can close out Wireshark when you're done. Close out Wireshark. And leave the host alone. Don't remove, don't delete the host file or you're fucked. Okay? Now this is a regular. See, now it's back to normal. See, this is the regular speed. So, that's how you spoof your speed results. You're welcome. Now you guys know how to do it. And if you guys go in any other videos and say, hey, this is my speed results, look how fast I'm getting almost 1 gigabit down, and they see like an ISP that would never get that kind of speed, it's fake. And even if it was real, the likelihood of actually getting this type of speeds, unless you're at a server, is going to be very unlikely. So you're welcome, and that's how you spoof your speedtest.net results. Hope you enjoyed. This does not work for all servers, so keep switching to servers and mark the correct tracerts. Put the host file, let it reset, and it will work. If it doesn't work, you don't have the settings correctly configured either in the local host, or you don't have them correctly configured in the www directory. Make sure you check everything to index.html. Okay, and these are the speeds that they actually use on actual servers. This is what will go to their computer and back. This is what loads in your computer. It's just nothing but data. Look at the pixels. Okay, so those load into your computer and then they go at the servers and then come back to you. So thank you guys for watching. This has been the Computer Master. Hope you enjoyed. Oh, and check my other videos out, please. Thank you. And maybe subscribe and maybe rate. You can dislike if you want. Just showing you.